Welcome back. Thank you for being here on my channel. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. New videos every day, ensuring that you always have something interesting to watch.
Welcome to our channel. Today, we have something truly groundbreaking to show you, the 2024 GMC Sierra Denali. Get ready for the future of pickup trucks, as we unveil the remarkable electric luxury version of this iconic vehicle. First, let's talk about the exterior design. With its bold and muscular stance, the 2024 GMC Sierra Denali commands attention wherever it goes. The striking signature grille boasts a confident and powerful look, while the LED headlights effortlessly light up the road ahead. The aerodynamic body lines and chrome accents further enhance its refined and sophisticated appearance. This is a truck that demands respect. Now, let's move inside and explore the luxurious interior. As soon as you open the door, you'll be greeted by an oasis of comfort and style. Sink into the premium leather seating, carefully crafted to provide utmost comfort during those long drives. The driver-focused cockpit puts all the controls within easy reach, ensuring a seamless driving experience. And with the latest technology, like the intuitive infotainment system and advanced driver assistance features, you'll always be connected and in control. But the 2024 GMC Sierra Denali doesn't just stop at looks. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful and capable engine that can handle any challenge. Whether you're towing, hauling, or simply cruising down the highway, this truck is built to deliver unparalleled performance and efficiency. With the Sierra Denali, no task is too big. In conclusion, the 2024 GMC Sierra Denali is a stunning showcase of both exterior and interior design. Its bold and commanding presence on the road is matched by the luxurious and comfortable interior. And with its powerful engine, this truck is ready to tackle any adventure that comes its way. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more exciting content, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for future updates and remember, the 2024 GMC Sierra Denali is the epitome of excellence.